Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss if TikTok Shop is legit to use. TikTok Shop is legitimate to use and is an official feature provided by TikTok, enabling users to purchase products directly through the app. It has been integrated with various brands and sellers, making it an authentic platform for e-commerce. TikTok Shop allows both creators and businesses to sell products